Ito yung ating barya ngayon guys, ang 10 yen na mayroong taon 1980. Tapusin ang video guys dahil mayroon itong halagang umabot sa 564,000 US dollar. Ang issuer nito guys ay Japan, Emperor Showa, 1926 hanggang 1989. Ang year naman ito, 34, 64, 1959 hanggang 1989. Kalendar nito guys ay Japanese Showa era. Ang value nito guys ay 10 yen. Ay umabot lang ito guys ng 3 pesos at 95 centavos dito sa Pilipinas. At mayroon ito guys composition na bronze. 95% ang kanyang copper, 4 to 3% ang kanyang zinc, 1 to 2% ang kanyang tin. At ang timbang nito guys ay umabot lang ng 4.5 grams. Mayroon itong diameter na 23.5 mm. At ang kanyang thickness ay 1.5 mm. At ito naman guys ang ating obverse. Phoenix Hall, Hudo, Temple of Yudo in center with the country name on top and value below. At ito naman guys ang ating reverse. Value and date within red. Mint in Japan. Ang ating 1980 guys ay mayroon itong 17% sa kanyang frequency. At mayroon itong ginawang umabot sa 1,127 milyon kapiraso. At ang kanyang price guys, ang kanyang uncirculated condition ay 33 pesos lamang. The record setting price for a 10 yen coin is 564,000 US dollar for a rare gold pattern 10 yen from Meiji year 3, 1870. Sold by the Heritage Auction in August 2022. The exceptional example graded MS66 NGC was part of a circulation of rare and ancient coins that brought a total of at over $17.8 million at the auction. Why this coins is so valuable? Number 1, pattern coins. The coin is a pattern coin, meaning it was a trial strike produced during a specific period of Japanese numismatics, the Meiji era. Number 2, condition. It is described as the finest certified examples and an exceptional condition which significantly increases its value. Number 3, rarity. Pattern coins from the Meiji era are notoriously difficult to find on the market, making this coin an extremely scarce and desirable piece. Other notable points about 10 yen coins. Number 1, German silver coins, 1950 hanggang 1951. Some German silver 10 yen coins from this period were minted but never circulated, having been intended for distribution before the Korean War drove up nickel prices, leading to them being melted. These are now considered scarce Japanese pattern coins. Number 2, bronze coins, 1951 until 1958. Bronze 10 yen coins were minted starting in 1951 but weren't released for general circulation until 1953. Coins minted between 1951 and 1958 featuring a rated edge are nicknamed Gisa 10 in Japanese. Number 3, modern design. The modern 10 yen coins design featuring the Phoenix Hall of Budo Inn, temple on the obverse, and villa reliefs on the rivers was introduced in 1953. 564,000 US dollar guys na ibenta noong August 2022 sa ating Heritage Auction.